Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by launching the tool quickly. Open the Start menu, type Snipping, and press Enter so you don't waste time navigating menus. Once the Snipping Tool window appears, make sure you can see the content you want to capture. Click New to start a capture right away. This begins a rectangular selection by default. You do this because starting immediately preserves the exact screen state you need, and New puts the tool into capture mode so you can select the area. Once New is active, choose the mode that fits your goal because each mode captures different shapes. Rectangular is fastest for UI, window captures an app, full screen grabs everything. Click and drag precisely to include or exclude elements. Release to finalize the snip. After capture, you can annotate with the pen or highlighter to clarify details. Copy the image to the clipboard for pasting into documents, or click File and Edit if you need small adjustments before saving or sharing. Finish by saving. Choose File, save as, pick PNG or JPG, name the file, and store it where you'll find it. Once saved, you can attach the image to email or upload it. Make sure to use Copy if you need a quick paste into an open document without creating files. If the snipping tool freezes or won't open, close it and relaunch from start. If that fails, press Print Screen to capture the whole display as a reliable fallback while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.